Here's Kyra Joy skinning a deer. Once in her whole life.
Second time.
Well, second time. She's doing a good job. Kyra, look over here. All right. Big old 200-pound doe. Look at them big old ass on her.
She does cake for days.
Yeah. Looks good. Look at that. The dirt bike. The Harley. TV. The deer ass. Nice back straps right there. Kyra's cutting the legs off of them now, skinning it. Say, peace out.
Peace out.